Namaskara. Welcome to River Rush, a series of exciting citywide treasure hunts. In this series, we're going to be traveling across the country to cities like Hyderabad, Chennai, Coimbatore, Pune, Mumbai, Kochi, Trivandrum, Surat, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, and Delhi. Oh, did I get it right?
Yeah.
Awesome. The concept is quite simple. We're going to be joined by two fascinating guests who will rack their brains, work as a team, and solve clues to unlock different parts of the city. In this episode, we're going to be exploring Namma Bengaluru. And by the way, we're going to be doing all of this on the brand new River Indie. I'm Akshay, your host for this episode of River Rush, a series that invites entrepreneurs and professionals who are shaking things up in their fields. So let's go for a ride. Super. So glad to have you guys here. We're all dressed in green. Amazing. So welcome to the show. We asked you to bring something that was special to you.
Yes.
So let's bring it out and see what you guys have got for us.
So I've got my cordyceps mushroom extract.
Wow. Okay.
So
that's great.
I know it's going to be a long day,
Yeah.
and cordyceps mushroom is really good for like endurance, stamina.
Which we will need a lot,
of
of
today.
today. That's
so
awesome.
We're gonna try it definitely. All
Okay.
of us.
Awesome. I'm excited.
Yes.
I'm excited. Okay. Vignesh.
So I got my Jiu-Jitsu
Oh
brown
my
belt.
God. Okay.
This is something I'm really proud about.
Okay.
It is Jiu-Jitsu related, it is sport related, but this is 13 years of effort from me, which
Wow.
and I had to earn it.
Okay.
So there's no one to give it to
That's,
me. I had to
that's
earn
amazing.
it after 13
So
years.
I'm so
So
glad you brought it. So today we're going to be exploring the Bangalore cantonment area. When the British established the cantonment area, they wanted an area that was free of malaria and largely cooler. I mean, I can't talk about how the weather is right now because it's so hot. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
The bill is here. I guess it's my time to leave. So I'll see you guys. Bye.
What? What? Are we supposed to look at the bill?
I don't know. Just should can I hit him with this?
There it starts. I think it starts. They feature current events. Expressed opinions are met. Time your search well to herald in the new clue. One of their logos is it's blue. One lives in Cunningham, the other two in South Parade. The final one on infantry. Collect all four and your next clue will be made. So basically, I think they're referring to a place, which means MG Road. I don't know. What do you think?
I guess so. I think
Like maybe this is where all the three clues.
I guess the first two are right here.
Yeah.
So must be Indian Express, Deccan Herald, I guess.
Nice.
And blue is what? We'll have to think about what the blue logo is.
I think the Deccan Herald logo is blue.
Is it?
Yeah. It's Deccan Herald in blue.
I need to read more newspapers.
Because
Yeah,
Deccan
but then
Herald
there are
offers...
total of 4, right?
Oh,
Yeah,
but it's
so
not.
collect all 4.
See, this infantry one, I'm not too sure.
Okay, so I mean, obviously, to South Parade is MG Road.
Correct.
And
And then
Cunningham,
we got the Indian Express.
kind of, I guess we got it.
So let me just check actually. So I'm checking top like
Indian newspapers,
Indian
maybe?
newspapers. Hindu? Is it? So okay, we got it. So basically, we've got Hindu on infantry. We've got the Times of India and Deccan Herald and Cunningham, which is New Indian Express.
Indian Express.
Awesome, we got it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Let's go get it then.
Let's get it. Let's do this.
I'm so excited to see the bike finally.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Wow, we're in Cubbon. I'm so excited.
I can smell the freshness.
I wonder if we'll spot some mushrooms actually.
Once upon a time, I don't know if it still happens now, but
Huh.
there was a lot of fitness activities going on in Cubbon.
Oh yeah.
We've done an outdoor boxing session, couple of them here.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, let's just stop.
What are the 3 things you wish you knew before you started your business?
I wish I was younger when I started it. I wish I was a bit more patient about it, and I wish I had studied a bit more of the science behind it.
Who do you look for inspiration?
So I would say three people. One is Marcelo Garcia, second will be Professor Dominic, and third also my wife. Oh, you got it?
Yeah, so I got the second clue.
Nice.
It just seems like a paper. And I think
So is the entire paper the clue?
there's something here.
Yes.
Marked by minarets and a grand arc, you may be able to find it difficult to pass. Some gateway
Yeah.
and
So it is a park, is it?
is it
Is
that
it Cubbon?
outside Cubbon Park, that arch
the
where near
main
Country
entry,
Road?
yeah.
I think it's that one. Is it that arch right outside Cubbon Park?
I can't say.
Oh shit.
Finish all the clues for the newspaper round and you will get your
There are
answer.
more clues.
So we'll have to go to all the 4 newspaper places and collect all the 4
Okay. Let's do that.
Yeah.
So first we'll go to Times, then we'll go to New Indian Express, put them all together, and then we'll do that.
Yep, let's do
Awesome.
that. Yeah.
Shall we go, guys? Just wait, I'll get the clue and come, okay?
Sure.
Yeah. I got it. Second clue.
Nice.
I think it's the same format.
Another one.
Built by the British in 1927. Okay, let's figure this out. Like,
I guess so. Let's head to the next one.
yeah, we'll figure it out together. Okay. Should we keep this inside? Wanted to know, like, how did you even get into, jiu-jitsu to begin with?
I got into it for fitness actually.
Oh,
That was long back, 13, 14 years back, and then within the first 6 months of me starting it off, my coach was from the US, decided to move away. So I was left with a dilemma. So the only solution left for me was, just try to become a coach and not just a fighter, and that was a start to it. So you guys were pretty much the pioneers of this space, at least, right?
yeah. In a lot of ways. When we started, there was nobody. There were just a couple of button mushroom farms. People were like, "What are you doing? Like, is this lucrative? First of all, are you?" I said, finally, I wanted to break stereotypes.
Exactly.
I want to change perspectives on something that I believe in. Okay. Shall I ride now?
Yeah, you
For
want
a
to?
while.
Yeah.
We're going to reach Indian Express now. Is this an allowed U-turn or it's a fake U-turn?
Let me go get this one.
Yeah, you go. Cool.
What aspect of business do you struggle with the most?
Balancing personal and professional.
What advice do you have for fellow entrepreneurs?
Don't be scared. Fear is something that we often are told from a very young age that we can't do many things. The minute you take out fear from a lot of your decisions, you are in the right path. So, yeah, just don't be scared, go for it.
Got it.
Oh,
You want to take a look?
yeah.
I can feel something inside.
There'll be like on cardboard, that's
Yeah.
the trend. Flowers to fruits, fish, meat and spices near a bus depot is where your price is. Oh, some market.
I feel like I'm getting there, but I think we need one more clue.
We need to go to Hindu and figure it out, yeah.
Okay, so let's go do that.
Let's go to Hindu, come.
At least it's easy to ride, no?
Yeah, correct. The bike is definitely easy to ride. Like, for somebody who doesn't navigate traffic so much and I only ride when it's easy, I'm actually having a good time riding this bike. Oops.
Let me go get it.
Go. Oof. Finally,
Last clue.
what's
Done.
up?
You want to check it out?
Yeah, cool. Okay, Dash Viper or Dash Terrier at the butcher. It's some market.
Hello.
You
Wow.
abandoned us in airlines.
I'm so sorry. I just wanted to see your sense of adventure and where has it led you?
You have, we have been running around town.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
cool,
It was
okay.
adventurous for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, were you able to figure out where you
I
might
think
be
we
going next?
kind of got it, but I think we should just put it together and just be sure for
Okay. Let's see what you've got.
The meat, fish and
vegetable thing.
vegetable thing. Yeah.
Spices rather.
Okay, it's some market for
Okay.
sure.
So
Okay, not
basically-
bad.
Flowers to fruits minarets, butchers.
So
Okay.
I know that there can only be one dash viper and one dash terrier,
Okay.
which is a Russell.
Yes.
Okay.
So Russell Market.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
Awesome
Nice.
job, guys. I'm
Nice.
super impressed.
Yes.
Cool. I'll see you guys. Bye.
Let's go. So we know the next location. Let's
Yeah.
head off.
Yeah.
By the way, did you know that this thing has a reverse mode?
We can get some stuff, some juice on the way or something.
What we do is not a very popular thing, right? It's
Correct.
not a very mass market thing. So how's
Yeah.
the public reaction been to what you do and your products?
People are more accepting now, a little more towards mushroom than they used to, but niche still, you know, not yet reach mainstream. What about you? Like, what about, you know, in the space that you are? How
I
do
think
you see?
it's a lot of education, right? I think
Yeah.
for you and for me, there's a lot of preconceived notions about our products and services
Same,
that
yeah.
it does take a lot of time to educate people. Those who are seeking it will get it, will
Yes.
understand it.
Yes.
At Rain, at least, you know, the exciting part is not about creating fighters who want to be fighters,
Yeah.
but rather creating guys who never even knew about, you know, what fighting is, and they want to fight just because they
Ah.
started the journey.
Right, right.
So that's
right.
the exciting part.
Russell Market is a hidden ornament, hidden treasure. It's actually one of the oldest market and known as mother markets of all the markets. It is in middle point of Bangalore city. The whole market is standing on huge pillars. The pillars has come from England. During summer, it will be cold inside, and during winter, it will be warm inside because of the technology. We have 475 shops in Russell Market.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, most
Thank you.
welcome.
Yeah, thank you,
so
sir.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, now that we have ample amounts of information about Russell Market, we thought we'd give you a little small challenge. You guys ready for that? Okay, awesome. Okay, we got some surprise for you in these bags. Why don't you go and pick it up and see what's in it?
Mangoes.
Where did
Yeah.
that come from?
Yeah.
So there are 2 bags of mangoes, and the task for you is to use these bags of mangoes and barter them for anything you can in this market.
So is it like a competition?
It is a competition, so I will pick a winner between the both of you, and I'll pick a winner based on whoever makes me smile the most with whatever items you bring in.
Okay.
Okay, it's on.
Good luck.
Let's do it.
Okay. What do you want?
I'm just searching still for what to ask for. I need to make him smile, right?
ये हम एक मैंगो देंगे तो आप फूल देंगे ओके नहीं होता है हम एक मैंगो देंगे आपको तो कितना रस देंगे 5 रस में वो नहीं 15 रस देना 15 रस देना वो हो सकता है ना हाँ ओनर नहीं आप ओनर नहीं तो ओनर नहीं आने हैं
Oh man, I'm so bad at all this stuff, huh?
फूल का एक बंच देना हाँ नहीं दिस इज सो हार्ड
भाई साहब कितने का दिया?
200.
200 कौन सा है?
Dosa below 200.
अच्छा, मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, मेरे पास आम है, एक्सचेंज करोगे? मेरे को चप्पल चाहिए, आपको अच्छा आम दे रहा हूँ, अच्छा फ्रेश आम दे रहा हूँ। हाँ 5 है, 200 से ज़्यादा वैल्यू है इसका।
ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ತರ್ತೀನಿ ಹಾಂ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸರ್ ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
बस नॉर्मल सिंपल सा कुछ आप बताओ सिंपल चलेगा बिल्कुल थोड़ा बड़ा साइज में मिलेगा क्योंकि जिसको देना है वो थोड़ा वो नहीं हाँ बढ़िया है थोड़ा साफ़ कर सकते हैं इसको थोड़ा सा उसको आपको ईद मुबारक थोड़ा लेट हो गया बट आपको ईद मुबारक ठीक है
Okay, I'm gonna get a juice. I think that's something he will agree to. ये मौसमी जूस के लिए कितना है? हाँ, तो मैं 2 मैंगो देंगे आपको, 1 जूस देना, ठीक है ना?
I feel she's got something to eat. I feel so. And then it seems like a very logical thing to exchange food for food.
30, तो 1 मैंगो के लिए कितना ब्रेड देंगे? 2 ब्रेड, हाँ दे। ये क्या बोलता है?
चॉकलेट खोवा नान पीस
नान पीस,
दे तो स्पेशल वाला दे
अच्छा वाला देना।
अच्छा वाला
नान पीस दिल पसंद, हाँ ये फेमस है ना? बैंगलोर का फेमस, हाँ दिल पसंद। 1 ही पीस देंगे, 2 पीस देना भैया, ये 1 मैंगो दिया है ना, प्लीज। थैंक यू।
I hope our lovely host Akshay is going to look good while wearing this. It does fit. It's suddenly night everywhere.
1 ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು? ನೀವು ಕೊಡಿ, ಏನು ಆದರೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ 1 ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ, 2 ಪೆನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, 1 ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ. ಹಾಂ? I don't have money, I only have mango. No, then you take it, I'll take the mango.
This is not barter system, you know.
But
Out of the barter system.
I know, but this is a new system. He doesn't want it. He doesn't want. How can I not come? I don't want to take it. Sir, it's a barter. Please, sir, it's a barter. We have to take. We are part of a barter system. Thank you.
You guys have finished your little challenge
yeah.
and were you able to barter some things for the bag of mangoes?
Yeah,
Okay,
But
awesome.
it was exhausting, man.
Exhausting?
But the people are so nice.
yeah.
Awesome, that is amazing to hear.
Everyone's super excited.
Are you guys ready to do a pitch?
Yeah,
Let's
let's
do
do
it.
it.
Okay, great. Prithvi, you first.
So, why do I deserve to win? Because I've got 3 really good experiences that can make your day awesome. So, you start with the Vijayavani newspaper. It's out there, you're reading it. And you got the famous Dil Pasand, which you can chomp on. So, you're reading, you can eat. And then you get a Mausami juice for this hot weather. So you're sipping on the Mausami juice, eating your Dil Pasand. And best thing is, if something comes into your big brain, you can always write down some notes. So, becoming your whole experience.
Okay, so here's the thing, guys. I didn't want to waste my time by purchasing or trading for multiple stuff. I have one objective, which is twofold. First is, it's about to be evening. I want my friend Akshay to look good when he goes out in the evening. He's wearing nice clothes, but his face is naked. I need something. Second thing is, in case I lose this challenge, my fist is gonna go towards his eye, and then he needs something to cover that up with. For that reason, I have got some extremely stylish glasses with thick rims to hide the black eye just in case. Oh yeah. So yeah, guess who the winner is gonna be?
Awesome. Great. You've really put me in a very, very tough spot here. On one side, you've clearly had a very wholesome experience and you brought a whole bunch of things for your bag.
I mean, it's all
On the
about
other side, I better stand this side. On the other side, I'm a little scared now, so I'll still go with Prithvi and then risk the black eye for later. And you get
mangoes.
a bag of mangoes.
Yes.
Kidding. Might want to look inside the bag.
Oh, clue. Another clue.
Okay, what does it say?
Meet us at the cafe named after the place where people go to Hajj. Mecca. Oh, there's something here, I know.
Great, cool. I will meet you at the final location, Kolmukka Cafe.
Now? Right
Yeah.
now? Okay.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Yeah.
So perfect, right? Something like what I do, which is a really hardcore sport, and if we can mix it in with what you do, which is getting people healthier, recovery, having
Yeah.
a better lifestyle.
Yeah.
You know, it just mixes in perfectly together.
Yeah,
So that's the best blend.
We're going to have many more episodes
Yes,
of
cheers
this
to this.
across the rest of the country in many cities with lots of guests like you. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
And that, my friends, was River Rush. And finally, I get to have this bike all to myself again. I hope in the future episodes, I get to be doing a lot more of the riding. Until then, see you soon.